Hello folks, welcome to my channel, it's Abiola. Today I've got for you this clip-ins for natural hair. If you've got type 4 hair, then these will be amazing for you. I'm going to show you two ways to wear them, whether with some leave out like this or without leave out like this. So if you like to see that, then keep on watching. Before we get into the tutorial, if this is your first time, welcome. I am your biggest fan. Thank you for stopping by. And please don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you don't miss out when I post new videos. Also, give me a like if you like this sort of content so you can see more of it. All right, let's get into the video. Okay, so this is literally how much hair I'm leaving out. It's about an inch, and then I'm just going to put that into it. So twist this out the way, and then we'll leave out a thin bit of hair as well at the sides. You don't have to leave this out, but it just looks a bit more natural sometimes, especially if, like, you know, the wind is blowing. Again, just like a centimeter width of hair. Twist that. And twist this. Okay, so because we don't have much time and we like to do things fast and simple and quick, I'm just gonna do my hair in two big plaits. You could do yours smaller if you want it to, you know, be nice and flat and nice, and yeah, I don't really have time for that right now, so we're just gonna go. I don't have a clip. Okay, so because I want it to be nice and flat and I've got like quite a bit of hair section, I'm just splitting my hair into two. I'm gonna do, I think it's a French braid, like it's going in, or the Dutch braid, the one that goes in, or Didi. If you're Nigerian or African, you may know Didi. So we'll start doing that. Okay, so done this side, we're gonna do this side. Okay, so you can just put these together and put a pin. Okay, time to put our hair in. So I'm starting off with the 12 inches. Ooh, looks cute. All right, so 10 inches. Make sure it's comfortable, because if it's not comfortable, it's gonna stay uncomfortable. So make sure you have it comfortable. 8 inches. Okay. So I have 3 left over, so I've used 6 strips in. And my hair was stretched, and then I just used on low heat my hairbrush, my Revlon brush hair dryer, and I just went through it because I had put some oils in, like some butters in. I put shea butter on my hair, and so I just used that like low heat to kind of melt it into the hair. So that's all. I have not straightened out my hair. You don't really need to. You just need to stretch out your hair. And let's see how it blends in. Okay, so again, this is just blow dried hair or stretched hair with just a tiny bit of heat. And this is what it looks like. I think it blends really well. I'm going to show you what it looks like if I put some heat on my hair as well. Worries or just flyaways. And just smooth out your hair. That's it. This is so beautiful, I think. Hair goals. Let me try and go back so you can see the length. Okay, so this is how long it is. Alright, so I'm going to show you another way you can wear this without leaving any of your hair out, especially for those of you who are like anti-heat. You can definitely wear it without putting any heat on your hair or having to leave your hair out and use it as purely a protective style. Let's go into style 2. Alright, so taking out all my clips, still the same hair from before. So all I'm going to do is just brush it back and put a ponytail. I'm not doing, you can do it all back if you wanted, but I don't really like how I look with it all back, so I want to leave that part in the middle. Again, you can put your murrays to keep your hair and the flyaways down. Just gonna do this and pop this into a ponytail. So simple. Use a hairpin to hold that in place. Put some murray. Okay, so this time I'm starting with the shorter bits because I want the long 12 inches to kind of go around like this. So this is how we're gonna have it. So I'm gonna use the shorter bit pieces at the back and go forward with them. Get yourself a headband and turn it into one of those headband wigs. Okay. How easy is that? Just so simple. And it's a protected style because your hair is protected underneath. You don't have to do any leave outs, and you don't have to put gel if you didn't want to. I didn't put gel on it. But if you want it to like lay really flat, just tie a scarf. Like before going to work or something, tie a scarf, have your breakfast, do what you need to do, drive to work, and then take it off, and then your hair will be perfect. So that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you've got any questions, let me know in the comments down below. This is another really natural looking hairpiece. These are clip-ins for natural hair. You just have to blow dry your, blow out your type 4 hair. Well, actually you don't have to blow out, you can just put it down. So this is perfect clip-ins for natural hair. This again, with most like synthetic hair, I would not really go like and use them every single day, like back to back to back to back. Or you could, and then just make sure you buy extra because you know it may frizz up or start getting tangled and things like that. So that's just something to bear in mind. It's inexpensive. I can't remember exactly how much I got this, but I'll put it on the title, and I'll put it in the description. Hopefully I remember to put in the title so you know how much it is. So it's not too expensive. It's really great for protective styling. I am talking way too much now. Okay guys, till my next video. I actually have a curly one. Okay, so I've also got this curly one. If you want to see how this will be looking, it looks really nice and really natural. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out when I post that video. And also give me a like so I know you enjoy this sort of content. And I'll see you in my next video. But before you run off, don't forget to binge a little, grab yourself a cup of tea, and relax and watch some of my upcoming videos. Till my next one, bye.